Hey everyone, my name is Nick, and today I would like to do a little review on the Tango app. And I'll also show you how to install this application. So first of all, let's open up App Store or Play Store. And now search for Tango. Just enter Tango here. And let's go to their Play Store page. So tap on it. And on this page, we can see all the necessary information about this application. But firstly, let's download it. To download it, just tap on Install. So from these pictures, you can see that this is a live streaming app, and you can watch other people's live streams as well as host your own live streams. So we can read the information about this app. Click here. So here we can read the description of the application and why people choose Tango application. So global community, live video chats, live streaming, creator and fan community. And also we can read about features and so on. So go back. And by the way, the application is already installed, and let's launch it. So tap on Open. And now we can create an account. So to create an account, tap on Continue with Google and follow all the necessary instructions. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment. Thank you. Bye bye.